off gabapentin, but he could only do so slowly, 400 milligrams at a time.
It had effects on my life that were, if I wasn't in reasonably good shape, it could have been a normal person probably would have taken their own life.
Fishman told.
All right, this is me today. The pills really put me in a crazy situation, like where you can't really handle it, like really taking care of anything. You know what I'm saying? It just Gabapentin, 400 milligram, like it just gets you addicted. When you get addicted with it, and you're not be able to do nothing, like you just stay jazzy, stay joggy, and it just destroy you because you're not be able to do anything. You know what I mean? And the sound, the effect is the other thing. After the pills, you can't hold nothing. You can't hold no will. You just what kind of pills is this? It's just for pain. Like that was just crazy. But we just have to deal with it. So I don't think it's a good thing. You know, it's not really a good medication for you to really take. You know what I mean? If you have to do activities like for pain, you know what I'm saying? If you have to do some other stuff, I don't think it's the right medication for you to take because it's crazy. Yeah, I'm still working on it. I don't really drink it anymore, but the effects are already there. Like you hold something, it's failing. It's like ridiculous.
Loss of memory, tremor, difficulty sleeping, headache, sensitive skin, decreased sensation, numbness, difficulty with coordination, unusual eye movement, decreased or absent reflexes, difficulty breathing, bronchitis, sore throat, cough, dry nose, vomiting, nausea, problems with teeth, inflamed gums, diarrhea, stomach pain, indigestion, constipation, dry mouth or throat, flatulence, facial swelling, bruises, rash, itch, acne, joint pain, muscle pain, back pain, twitching. Difficulties with erection, impotence, swelling in the legs and arms, difficulty with walking, weakness, pain, feeling unwell, flu-like symptoms, decrease in white blood cells, increase in weight, accidental injury, fracture, and abrasion.
Additionally, in clinical studies in children, aggressive behavior and
it's crazy. Like
movements were reported commonly. Cases of abuse and dependence have been reported for gabapentin from the post-marketing experience. Talk to your doctor if you have a history of abuse or dependence.
For complete information on the use, warnings, and side effects of this medicine, see the full package leaflet. Is this video useful to you? Leave a comment and subscribe to the channel.
Yeah, I will. The gabapentin is really serious, guys. Because
my life that were, if I wasn't in reasonably good shape, it could have been a normal person probably would have taken their own life.
Fishman told me it took him 6 months to come off gabapentin, and he still suffers cramps in his hands.
They never.
Let me really explain what gabapentin 400 milligram did to me. This is one right there. Okay, this is one right there. You see only one left. This is one right there. I drinking this one was 180. Like when I drinking it, make you sleeping all day, like you lost your appointment, you can't pick up the phone. For you to get in the bathroom, it's like you can't hold on the soap, you're about to fall in out, you can't really drive, and your vision is like you see everything is double. I think this drugs, like, I don't know, I was taking it because every time I feel the pain, you know, because I do a spine surgery, you know what I mean? Like, I keep taking it. I take like almost 2,000 or 3,000 pills. I don't know. I'm taking so much on that pills. Right now, you're not be able to do nothing. You know? Even your libido, like I'm telling you, you know what I'm talking about. If you take the pills, listen to all that effect
Fatigue or
in the pills. Everything is there.
Unexpected muscle pain, and frequent infections. These symptoms may be the first signs of a serious reaction. A doctor should examine you to decide if you should continue taking gabapentin.
This is the thing. I
Common
didn't know.
side effects,
I didn't know.
viral infection, feeling drowsy, dizziness, lack of
Yeah,
coordination, feeling tired,
crazy.
fever, pneumonia, respiratory infections, urinary tract infection,
crazy.
inflammation of the ear or other infections, low white blood cell counts, anorexia,
Because the pills
increased
get
appetite,
worse.
anger towards others,
what I'm saying?
confusion, mood changes,
I know what's going on
depression,
with those
anxiety, nervousness, difficulty with thinking, blurred vision, double vision,
All the side
vertigo,
effect, like,
high blood pressure, flushing or
crazy.
dilation of blood vessels, convulsions, jerky
it's just
Movements,
a crazy.
difficulty with speaking.
Like, you don't really know what you really do when you think you take a medication to help you. You gotta see, I have the evidence right there. You see, this is all these things. Now you're drinking, like, you just like, oh, like, you know what I'm saying? And there's a lot of some effect on the thing. Yeah, that's the way I try to explain. I can show you right now. Look at this picture where I coming from before the pills put me in that situation. Before the gabapentin put me in that situation. You're gonna see. I'm gonna show you right now.
Off gabapentin, but he could only do so slowly, 400 milligrams at a time.
It had effects on my life that were, if I wasn't in reasonably good shape, it could have been a normal person probably would have taken their own life.
Fishman told
Yeah, that's the way I try to explain. I can show you right now. Look at this picture where I coming from before the pills put me in that situation. Before the gabapentin put me in that situation. You're gonna see. I'm gonna show you right now.
Fishman's story does not surprise
My life that were, if I wasn't in reasonably good shape, it could have been a normal person probably would have taken their own life.
Fishman told me it took him 6 months to come off gabapentin, and he still suffers cramps in his hands.
They never
Off gabapentin, but he could only do so slowly, 400 milligrams at a time.
it had effects on my life that were, if I wasn't in reasonably good shape, it could have been a normal person probably would have taken their own life.
Fishman told it off gabapentin, but he could only do so slowly, 400 milligrams at a time.
It had effects on my life that were, if I wasn't in reasonably good shape, it could have been a normal person probably would have taken their own life.
Fishman told